Hello viewers, welcome to my channel itechsolution. Today I will discuss another Java program using if else statement, and this is already created by me, but I will discuss step by step to go through you, and you will be able to do by itself if you will go through line by line of this program. So first line is the user input acceptance. For this the scanner object class is inherited. This is import java.utility.util.scanner, and next for the program start one class is required, which is public class. This is called state class, and within this class I will create the main function where public static void main and the string arguments are placed with the bracket here, and the declaration is I have to do a program where age is accepted by the computer, and if age is greater than or equal to the age of 18, then the person is allowed to vote in India. So I will check it with this program, and for this I declared the variable as integer variable int age for number. Suppose it is a whole number, and then scanner class object is declared here as scanner my scan ms scan equal new scanner, and which is further the object inheritance of system.in class. And the message next line is to output on the screen message that your age should enter your age. And with this statement, the signature statement system.out.println, and next it will the screen value will be converted to stored in the age variable with the command age equal with the line code age equal mscan dot next int, and the next line is to verify the age if age is greater than or equal to both inclusive 18. Then the first block is executed here, the next line for /n, and next line message will be here you can vote as it is of the age 18 or so on. And in case it is false, always if block is goes to the else statement, and else is the negative part of this statement where the false is executed, and your false is here that you cannot vote and your age is this, and plus is acting as a concatenation with the string values. So the next message is in this game thanks, and the else is closed, and the main method is closed, and the class is closed. So I will then save it as state with the name of state.java, because state is the class name and every file is saved as with the class name, and yes, it is already exists. And now I compile it with the compiler javac compiler. File name is state.java, and it shows the execution process. Yes, it is okay now because it goes to the next Java folder, and at the time it is created the Java class file in this folder. Now to run this I will call the Java class state file name with the file name and press enter. Yes, it is working now, and enter your age. Suppose I will press 33, then I should vote, allowed to vote. So you can vote yes, your age is at 33. So this is the method how the work is done in this Java program. And suppose I will check for a negative portion of this program. Age is below 18 is 13, suppose, then it should goes to the cannot vote. Yes, cannot vote, your age is 13. Thanks. So this is the small program on Java program using if and else statement. Thanks for viewing this video, and I will upload more videos soon. Thank you.